Today I'm going to be taking a look at the new Apple HomePod. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. Just arrived today, the new Apple HomePod. I will take a brief look at this speaker. It comes in white and space gray. The one I have is the space gray. It retails for $349 and the link is in the description below. So let's begin. So looking at the specifications on the Apple website, the speaker has the A8 chip, has a high excursion woofer, 6 microphone array, a seamless mesh fabric, and a 7 tweeter array. There are other details on this page which I'm not going to go through, but I just wanted to point out some of the touch features on the top of the speaker for playback option. We'll go over that in a bit once I do some sample music. First impressions, as I take it out of the box, it has a nice build quality, just like any other Apple products. It has some weight to it. The outside is covered in a mesh fabric, and also the cord is covered in like a mesh fabric. And you can see here the bottom. It has a solid bottom here. And you can see the shiny smooth top here to control the HomePod using the touch features. Setup was quick and easy. You just need to plug in the HomePod and then launch the Home app. Just bring your device near the HomePod and it will recognize it, and just follow the prompts to finish the installation. Here it's just telling me where it's going to be located: bedroom, living room, office, and then some personal request features that if you want to enable, and then setting up Siri. Once it's set up, you can see the volume controls on the top. Volume up, volume down. Single tap will play and pause, double tap for next track, triple tap for previous track, and if you touch and hold, you'll get Siri. So now I'm going to test out Siri and play some music so we can see how the audio sounds. Hey Siri, what's the weather in Los Angeles?
It's currently clear and 73 degrees in Los Angeles, California. Expect mostly cloudy skies starting tonight. Temperatures are heading down from 73 degrees this afternoon to 57 tonight. My weather data is provided by the Weather Channel.
Hey Siri, who won the Lakers game?
The Lakers trounced the Thunder by a score of 106-81 yesterday.
Hey Siri, what is Apple's stock price?
Apple is up right now to $155.68. That's an increase of $1.16, or 0.75%.
Hey Siri, play Shaggy, Don't Make Me Wait.
Here's Don't Make Me Wait by Sting and Shaggy.
Don't make me wait. Don't make me wait in vain. Love you. Can't wait to get my last name. Don't make me wait. Don't make me wait so long.
Hey Siri, put the volume to 10%. Hey Siri, volume to 80%.
Don't make me wait too long.
There you have it. Just wanted to take a quick look at the new Apple HomePod and focus mostly on the sound quality. I didn't go over many of the phone features with messaging and calls. I really want to emphasize that the video sound does not do this device any justice. The quality is amazing in person. The bass is really deep and fills up the room very nicely. It is very responsive even when the music volume was high. Siri was able to detect my commands on changing the volume levels. This device, in my opinion, will really take your Apple Music to another level. You're limited to the AirPlay if you want to use the other apps. It's just a matter of time for Apple to continue on adding new features on future releases of the new HomePod. Try it out in person to really hear the quality if you are considering on getting this. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.